Being able to touch and see fabric in real life makes such a difference when you're planning your dressmaking project. But when you need to shop online, I've got the next best thing. Hi, I'm Lauren and I'm here in my fabric shop, Guthrie Ghani, to reassure you that buying fabric online is not as risky or scary as you would think. Our summer sale is now on, and rather than scroll through lots of fabric photos, I'm here to show you the amazing bargains we have ready for your next dressmaking project. We've got loads of bolt ends and cut lengths that are 20% off. The bolt ends tend to be a metre and below. The cut lengths are all a metre and above, but they're all really great, usable bits of fabric. It might just be that they're the end of roll, or we've had some fixed lengths cut from that. So you can see a gorgeous selection here. There's a really lovely mix of different things. There's some sweatshirtings, and there's also some G&G exclusive fabric finds in there as well. And the cut lengths are great because they're all just really useful lengths ready for making a garment. We've got some amazing Cone Mills denim here. This is 2.5 meters lengths. It's a stretch denim and it's great for making jeans and other stretched trousers. You could use it to make a nice little jacket as well. We've got a couple of stretch velvets, cotton stretch velvets, great for more fitted trousers. These are so lovely and comfy to wear, and these are all 1.8 meter length, so the perfect length for a pair of trousers. A couple of jacquards, great for bag making or smaller projects. We've also got some really lovely aqua bowhouse viscose, and that's a really good length for a dress. There's 3.2 meters in those ones. Then some lovely poplins and a nice vintage texture cotton as well. Good for nice little simple tops, or you could use it in some bag making projects too. Amazing cozy fabrics with their matching ribbing, perfect for jumpers. I know it's still a bit hot just now, but it will get colder. Nice cozy pajamas too. And then if you love blues, blues are always super popular. There's more stretch velvet here. We've got some ramie and enzyme linen, which are really great for trousers and lightweight jackets. And these are all really good lengths too. There's 2.5 meters in those ones, and there's 1.8 in the stretch velvet. Then if you like doing some yoga or Pilates, maybe some really nice fabrics here to make some exercise leggings. So great yoga fabric in there. There's lots of bargains in that one. And then again, we've got some more plain sweatshirtings, really nice and snuggly with the matching ribbing too. Remember, these are all 20% off, which is great. And then over here, in this part of the studio, we've also got some cut lengths or like last chance buys from the shop too. So there's an amazing selection of loads of different types of fabric here, loads of lovely colours too. They all vary in length, but they are all over a metre because they're a cut length. We've also got some selected Sewing Society kits, which are like a project in a box. You get everything you need to make a specific garment, and some of these have up to 50% off. So they're really good value. They do also all include a video as well from me on making the garment. We've got some really nice projects here. You can see how a little wardrobe can come together from nice shirts. We've got some jeans, a little waistcoat, shirts, tops, dresses and jackets as well. Absolutely love these jackets. And we've also got some bags too. So some really great ready to go projects if you're not sure where to start. So we've also got loads of fabric by the meter as well. So with all of these ones, you can buy in 10 centimeter denomination, so you can get exactly what you need. And there's an amazing mix of loads of different stuff. These ones are all up to 50% off, which is a great bargain. There's some denims, really nice prints, some double gauzes, classic nice stripes, embroidered fabrics as well. Some Liberty fabrics also in the sale, so there's loads of really nice things by the meter to have a look at as well. So I hope you've enjoyed having a little look around the sale. All of the fabrics are prepared and sent out by our G&G team here in the shop. So I'll put all the links that you need in the description below to all of the fabrics, all of the bargains. Happy shopping. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already so you don't miss my next video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.